Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add social media icons in constant contact. All right. As you can see here, this one, well, this is technically with a social icon, but this one works differently. This one is a social share. Again, as it states here, social share. When someone taps on it, it will automatically ask them to log on, for example, on Facebook and then share this specific email. Okay. Now, if you want a social media icons, all you have to do is just go ahead and use social follow, drag it to wherever you want, like so. And here we have it. Just click on it, then go to the top and click on edit. And here you can choose the logo, for example, this one, all black or with colors. Okay. Then under social pages, you can go ahead and move the order, for example, like that. If you want Facebook to be first, use this move icon. Okay. Now to add another one or add another network, click on add network. For example, YouTube, like so, it will be added. Move it like that. Add more if you want to, for example, email or TikTok. Okay. And then simply paste your URL, for example, directly on my profile, like so, my YouTube, like so, Instagram, and to X. Okay. Now, when you hit on test or preview, just like so, scroll down. I'm going to tap on YouTube. As you can see, you'll be landed to the exact URL that you have pasted or you have entered in here under the editing section. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.